Hey guys, welcome back to another Genuine How To. Today we're going to be talking about how to fit a wiper the genuine way. If your wiper blade frames are in good condition with no visible cracks or breaks, all you gotta do is replace the rubber.
Refills as well as full blades are available at your local Toyota dealership.
Always buy genuine. Safety starts with being able to see. Replacing the rubber refill is super easy. All you gotta do is pull out the old refill like this. Pull out the old rubber. Don't forget to take the metal strips from the old rubber and slide them into the channels of the new refill. And now push in the new one. Like this. Ta-da! And you're done. Replacing the blade. Lift your wipers while holding the hook portion of the wiper arm. Now, lift the stopper using a flathead screwdriver like this. Remove the wiper from the arm by sliding it like this. And now push in the new one. Sorted! Now all you have to do is make sure that your Toyota Genuine window washer fluid is filled. And then you're good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like it and subscribe to our channel so that you can see other Genuine How-Tos. And if there's another Genuine How-To that you'd like us to do...
And if you'd like to keep stealing my lines, please leave a comment down below.
Sorry.